Class 9, Chapter 1, Physical Quantities and Measurement. Define physics. What is physics? Physics is the branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy. What are physical quantities? Physical quantities are measurable properties of a system such as a mass, length, time, and temperature. What are the base quantities? The base quantities are fundamental physical quantities that are not derived, such as length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substances, and luminous intensity. Define derived quantities. Derived quantities are physical quantities derived from base quantities such as speed, volume, and acceleration. What is the SI system? The International System of Unit SI is the globally accepted system for measuring physical quantities. Write 7 SI system quantities. First, length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substances, luminous intensity. What is a unit? A unit is a standard measurement used to express the magnitude of physical quantities. Define standard unit. Standard units are usually accepted and fixed units used for measuring physical quantities. Why is the SI system important? The SI system provides a uniform standard for measurements, ensuring consistency in science and technology. What is scientific notation? Scientific notation expresses number as a product of a decimal number and a power of 10. What is the least count of a vernier caliper? The least count of a vernier caliper is usually 0.01 centimeter or 0.1 millimeter. What is the least count of a screw gauge? The least count of a screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. Define significant. Why are significant figures important? Significant figures ensure that accuracy and reliability of calculation and measurement. What is zero error? Zero error occurs when a measuring instrument does not read zero when it is not in use. What is the formula for density? Density equal to mass divided by volume.